Hi guys, Idan here from How Much Bitcoin. Do you guys remember back in 2017 on December where Nicehash lost 4,500 Bitcoins of their customers' wallets? That was just devastating in the community. And I think a lot of people kind of pushed back Nicehash. They're like, I'll never use them again. You know, what the hell just happened? And I totally understand. I actually lost some of the money myself. I lost like a few $100. I was mining and I had a wallet and it was gone. But now I slowly seeing Nicehash paying back their customers and paying me back. And that's just amazing. Because usually when a company loses so much money, they're usually wiped out. They usually close down and that's it. But with Nicehash, they're actually working hard, they got investors, they take their profits and they're giving it back to the people who lost all these Bitcoins. And that's just a big plus to Nicehash. It shows that they're credible and they really care about their customers. And I really personally appreciate it where they're trying to make things better and not just say, hey, it's crypto. You lost it, that's how crypto works. Too bad for you, very sorry. They're actually saying like, no, we're gonna try to pay you back. Slowly, we'll pay you back. And that makes me feel like going back to them and using their service because the service is so easy to use. If you have a Windows computer with a few video cards, you just install their software, bam, you start making money. So I really appreciate their service. Now let's take a look at my numbers, see how much money I got back from Nicehash. As you can see, my original old balance is 0.0145 Bitcoins. That's how much I basically lost from Nicehash when I was mining. That was my mining wallet. Now they already paid me back 0.06543. That's about 40% of the money that I lost already sent back to me. And they're showing you still to repay. So they're planning to repay back 0.00799. So they're showing you how much you lost originally, how much they pay so far, and how much they will pay in the future. And that's really, really awesome. Thank you, Nicehash. I'm really curious, guys. How much did you lose from the Nicehash hack? Please leave a comment below how much you lost, how much you got back. Will you use Nicehash again? Do you trust them now? I'm really curious, so let me know. Please hit that subscribe button either on your iPhone, on your desktop. I really appreciate it. It helps my channel and you'll be able to see the videos I post. And don't forget to like the video if you liked it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.